Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to use snap layouts in Windows 11. If you're using Windows 11 and you're using multiple apps and you want to use snap layout, so let's see how can you do that. So at the very first, let me open some apps or windows here. Once I have done, so now I'm going to open a snap layout. So I'm going to open this PC here and just swipe it up. For the very first, swipe down or minimize the screen. Now click and press on this corner, then scroll up and keep it here. Now you just have to move it toward different windows or different layouts. So let's say I'm gonna put it here. Once I've done, now in second side you can easily open any app from here. Let's say I'm gonna open this one. So in this way you can easily use multiple layouts. You can also minimize them if you want to. So then you just have to open any other app. Let's say I'm gonna open a browser here and I'm also going to open VLC player, and now I'm going to create a layout. So the very first I'm going to use File Explorer, just move it toward here. Now in upper section I'm going to use this one, and in lower section I'm going to use my browser. So you can use multiple windows or multiple apps at a time here. So in this way you can easily use different layouts in your Windows 11. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.